Hello Gemini, welcome back to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your love guidance from July 1st through the 15th. Welcome back everyone. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. And if you like or resonate with these videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed, you might want to subscribe. All of the guidance here is very unique. And as you can see, there are no tools used here. Everything is being powered by my intuition and my gifts that are granted to me from God. So if it resonates with you, that is amazing. Oh, happy day. And if it doesn't, you can watch another video. Gemini, please keep in mind that it takes time for these messages to resonate, so please pay attention to the time frames. Also, guys, I do extended. So if you want exclusive access to the extended version of this, where I go deeper and uncover some secrets, you may want to check that out. The link to the extended video is down below in the description box. If you're interested, check that out. You'll have access to the video and you can watch it as many times as you like. And it will be yours to keep. So starting with you, Gemini, how do you feel about this person? Whoever you're interested in or trying to be with, this is a person whose love really gets you going. Yeah, it's something about this person in the way that they love. You may admire the way that they show love to other people. You may admire how they talk about love. You may admire the way they show their resilience through the way they love others. You may see how they love their children, or how they love their mom, or how they love things, their pets. Whatever it is, you admire something about them. And because of this admiration you have for this person, it makes you want to open up. It makes you really love their love. You love the way they love. To the point where some of you may even get a little jealous because of the way this person loves. Not for all of you, but for a few of you. So whatever this person does, it's keeping you afloat at this time because it's something about this person's energy. You could be noticing how even people around you are asking you for favors or romantic offers because you're in an energy of love, but they don't know that this energy could be coming from someone else who is in the energy of love. You're just kind of taking on their energy, but people want to come around you and start asking you for things. So it's this energy where it's kind of weird, and it's like, well, that's not really who I am. Little do you know, there's a whole other side. So there, that could be something here to that you may notice. Now, whatever it is, and whoever these people are that are coming towards you with love offers, it's something that I don't feel like you're considering really. I feel like you have your eyes on one specific person who you really like. And you're waiting for something more important to clear up in your life right now. You could be dealing with other things, bigger things. You may have bigger fish to fry. You may have other things that you've got going on. And you may not be in a space to date. You may not be in the kind of space to want to be with someone. Or maybe your social life just sucks right now. But whatever it is, I think that you could be gearing up for a new passionate start in love, but it's just something that may be happening behind the scenes and not necessarily outwardly for some of you. So this person you're interested in and how they feel about the Gemini, this person, oh my gosh, they feel true love. They feel true love. They have made a true love connection with someone, okay? And it could be you, it may not be you, but they have made a connection of true love. This is someone who has found an endearing connection with more energy invested in the connection that they feel. And this really helps to determine this person's mood on a daily, and also their mood towards you. Because there's an energy of true love. Something is inspiring this person, and as they're being inspired, you're being inspired. It could very well be that you and this person are inspired by each other because you both know and have an understanding that you found true love in each other. Or you're on the outside looking at someone find this for themselves, and it's making you feel good about it. And it just could be that you're just looking at this, right? So it could go either way, but I do feel that this is someone who's very open to new things with you. So it could very well be that you're their true love, and they want to experience things, but the way this person approaches it is like they're going to be leaving you with an offer, and it's like you could take it or leave it. It's like they put the offer on the table for you to decide what it is that you want, to determine how you want the future to be, to determine whether you're going to cooperate with them or you're going to not. And it's up to you, whatever you decide, and they'll deal with things accordingly. So I do get a sense that, this person, what they want to do, they're helping you to unleash something within yourself that's been gone for so long. And I think they're actually accomplishing this, Gemini, and that is opening your heart. How do you see this person? You see this person as someone who can really teach others. They can really teach others a thing or two about love, because I'm telling you, you watch them. You look at things that they do. You're interested in their personal life. Either you look at them on social media, or you watch something that they post, or you look at them across the street at the coffee shop, or you look at them in magazines. Maybe they're a supermodel or something. Guys, seriously, I have a very unique array of clients and viewers. So I'm not a stranger to this. So, you guys, this person could be a supermodel. You could probably always see them in magazines. This person could be an artist, whatever, like whoever they are, you have some type of access to see their work or something that they do, and you admire this. Or maybe this is someone who you are always around. Maybe you work with this person, but whatever it is, you're always admiring them. And you know that the way they love and the way that this person is really understanding about the world and how things are evolving and how things are changing, and like the knowledge and wisdom that they possess within them, you see them as being aware of the sacredness of life, the sacred moments of life. And you see this person growing wiser and wiser as time goes by, because what they're doing is this person is able to take information in and keep it sacred to themselves, while understanding what is happening right now and how others should live and mold their lives to become better versions of themselves and fulfill the will of God. That is what you see in this individual. There's something very spiritual about this person that you're definitely connected to. And what this is going to do for you is purify your mind, your heart, and your body by helping you to change. Somehow, this person has the ability to make you change. Other people may have failed in the past to make you change, but this one person, whether they are a male or a female, this one person has the ability to make you change. So this is someone who maybe had an attachment to negative thinking. Maybe this person had some type of habits in the past or some type of behavior patterns. Maybe this is someone who was always closing their heart. Or maybe this is someone who had an issue with, just telling themselves negative things, like they're never going to be as successful as they want to be, or people suck, or, just always having a certain outlook on things because of how much they have received from the world, Gemini. This is someone who has gone through a lot. And so I get a sense that this person wants to free themselves. You see them freeing themselves from some things that they held on to for a long time that they no longer need anymore. Okay, it could be a person. It could be freeing themselves from certain people that are not good for them. But you see something changing in them, but they're also changing things in you. And so the way you see this person is now having a choice to make, whether they're going to realign their life to start living up to the expectation that the Lord has for them and start walking in that light, or are they going to turn their back on an opportunity to do this now that they're at a crossroads about having to make a decision about how they want to move forward with things, okay, with you. So it is through this person, Gemini, that you're purifying and purging your impure intentions that have brought you much suffering, and they're doing the same. Okay, so this person is really, like, the way you see this person is like they're becoming more angelic, more like pure. They're becoming spiritually, like they're at a higher ranking than they were before or something. This person's spiritually changing, Gemini. Like, they're becoming better, whether they're eating better, dieting, taking care of their body, or they are praying. You see them praying more, or you see them like clearing out like old music in their phone. Now they're just listening to gospel music, or now they're just listening to smooth jazz music. Like, they're whatever gook and clutter that was there from the world and society, this person, you see them moving further and further away from what everyone else is doing, and this person is creating their own lane where everything there is like opening a can of the cleanest, purest, holiest water in the world. This person is becoming so much sanctified, because what's happening is that this person is cleansing their energy. They're smudging away negativity, evil, negative energies. This person's going through a great change, and they're getting rid of everything bad. Wow. Just wow. This person's doing the right thing. Now, how does this person see you, Gemini? They see you as reassuring. The things that they're doing and that you're watching them do is reassuring them that you're seeing what they do, and you applaud them for it, and you want them to keep going. They see you as being inspired by them. And this person could be experiencing a full awakening, but they see you experiencing a full awakening now. Now you're finally waking up to what this person has been trying to put you on. This is someone who has been trying to show you a better life, show you that you can make changes too and become a better person. They're trying to wake you up. This person's trying to push you to God. They want you to pray. They want you to go to church. They want you to change. They want you to get on board with what's going on and get with the program. And that's what I'm getting here. This is someone who you could find yourself when you're talking to them, you could find them giving you Bible quotes, or this person may have referenced something from the Bible, or this person may reference something spiritual or religious. And you may wonder, like, why is this person talking about all of this? But I think it's because this person feels spiritually liberated to do so. This person sees that your soul is yearning to grow out of negative patterns. This person can sense that you really are in the middle of a huge evolution, and you're going through all of the stages. And before you can get to where you really want to be, you have to be ignorant first before you can gain skill. And when you gain skill, you have to become enlightened before you can apply the skills you've gained. And once you reach enlightenment on your journey, then you're able to say at one point how you were ignorant to certain spiritual concepts and beliefs, and now you have the skills applied. You know what you're doing and how to move along your journey, and then you're able to lead. But without these things and without going through these steps that are necessary for you to become a better person, you can't. So this is someone who's trying to show you a different way of life here. And if this is a female that you're dealing with, Gemini, then this person holds a really important role in society, in the world, in history. This person is someone that you may see something so, wow. You may see something so royal about this person. and their roots and where they come from. This person already wears a crown, Gemini. Whoever this is that you're interested in, they already do, because this is a person who has definitely understood the concept of compassion and unconditional love, and they know what that is about, and they're trying to show you that there is a better way out than to be the way that you were. They're trying to help you. They're trying to help you. One more time, this person is trying to help you, but you can't be ugly toward them if they're trying to help you. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here. Wow, interesting. There's a lot more to be discussed. So yeah, get that extended, guys. God bless.